Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button as well. I really appreciate it and I can create more videos. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is of a brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. And I'm very excited about this because I ordered it 1 month ago and it just arrived. It took 1 month to come in from Samsung. Okay, so here's the phone here. And you can see how it is. And this is the lavender color that I got. But let's see what comes in the box. So here we have the Samsung. So this is everything that's in there. So they put everything in here. They give you the tool to remove the SIM card. They give you the USB cable to power it. They don't give you the wall charger. Okay. And here it is, just a couple of paperwork to show you what you can do with the Galaxy, and then a quick start guide. So here's the phone again, and that's everything that comes in the box. So thanks for checking out the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on the video. Thank you very much. So this is everything that comes in the box. As you can see, the tool to remove the SIM card, the quick start guide. Then they give you a little card here that you can scan the QR code and get, like, I guess, special perks for purchasing this device. You have the USB charger, and then here's the phone itself. You can see it here on the side. That is where you put the SIM card, where you charge it, and then the power button and the volume buttons are on the other side. So I hope this video helps you out in understanding everything that comes in the box. And then leave a comment. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much.